Purgatorio, PIT Create Comtech Day. And I'm here to demonstrate the activity given by Mr. Marnel Iscabas, which is LED sequencer using Arduino. These are the components involved. First, Arduino Uno is an open source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs like on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output activating a motor on an LED publishing something online. Second, breadboard is used to build and test circuit quickly before finalizing any circuit design. Breadboard has many holes into which circuit components like ICs and resistor can be inserted. And also, this makes it easy to use for creating temporary prototypes and experimenting with circuit design. Third, LED. Light emitting diode. Those blinky things a must-have for power indication, pin status, optoelectronic sensors, and fan blinky displays. This is a very basic 5 mm LED with a red lens. It has a typical forward voltage of 2.0 volts and a rated forward current of 20 mA. And also, lighting products produce light up to 90% more efficiently than incandescent light bulbs. Fourth, resistor. An electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signals levels to divide voltages, bias active elements, and terminate transmission lines, among other uses. And resistor 100 ohms has brown, black, and brown stripes in that order. The last stripe represents the tolerance. Gold means 5%. Fifth, jumper wires are simply wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect two points to each other without soldering. Jumper wires are typically used with breadboards and other prototyping tools in order to make it easy to change a circuit as needed. So guys, let's start to demonstrate the LED sequencer using Arduino. First, if you have already an account of Tinkercad, click and open it. And click Circuits, and then Create Circuits. Wait for a while to open the app. First, to get the Arduino. Second, the breadboard. And the third, LEDs. We need 12 LEDs to use. And fourth, the resistor. Resistor connected to cathode of LED. Cathode means the negative sign of the LED. We also need 12 resistors to use. And after that, change the resistor convert to 100 ohms. And after that, ground connect to the negative sign of the breadboard. So next, jumper wire follow the resistor or negative sign. Connect also the negative sign of the breadboard LED 1 until last LED 12.
like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
After that, I choose color of my jumper wire and 2 pin. And after that, jumper wire again, we also connect cathode or positive sign of the LED. And I choose color of my jumper wire into green. And after that, I'm now done connected to activity. Click the code and search text and continue. And after that, change the number of the 12 LED. Copy and paste. I mistaken this too. And proceed delay time. Copy paste again and change to high 1 and the low is 2. The delay is change 500. So copy and paste.
Felt me like a Hellcat.
And after that, the code click and click start simulation again to run the program. So it works. It's already done.